guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is actually going to be a Zara haul. Recently I placed some order on their Zara app. There's a section which is called as the special price section. So when things go out of fashion or when things are a little old fashioned, they put some of their stuff in the special price section. Zara is otherwise very expensive and I hate paying the full price. So I always am checking at the special price, and if I get something really nice, even if it is old fashioned and I like it, I buy it. But apart from those things, I also have a lot of perfumes. I think 2 of the perfumes were in the special price section, but otherwise the rest of the perfumes are actually on MRP, and I do not really mind buying Zara perfumes on MRP because you get a really good quantity at a really affordable price. I have a really big box over here. There's some stuff that I actually sent them back. So there were 3 things that I got, and I ordered a return for those products, and the return was actually made today, so I couldn't really show you that video. I was about to shoot this video yesterday, but something really unfortunate happened. A very famous Indian actor, Sushant Singh Rajput, he committed suicide, and in that moment of grief I didn't feel like shooting the video, but I had already placed the order for return, so that those things were really picked up, so I can't really show you. I'll give it on the screen for you. These 3 things, if you see it on the screen, do not buy them. First of all, not good quality, do not look nice, and the jeans is really uncomfortable. So yes, these are 3 things that I ordered, and I've already kind of returned them back. But there are certain things here. I have clothes and perfumes, so I will start with clothes first. The first is a really nice sweater that I got. Yes, sweater in this really hot weather, but it's going to be just few more months when I would be able to actually wear it, and it was on sale, so I thought, why not? I mean, okay, I say this repeatedly, but I'm cheap like that. I buy things in advance if I get them on sale, and it's really good quality. This one is originally like for $18.90. I got it for $9.90, so it was a good deal, and it's really good quality. So this is the first sweater. This is navy and off-white striped one, and this is very stretchable. I think size small was available, so I picked up that, and it fits me kind of snug, but you know, in winters of course I'll be layering it, so that's not a problem there. The next thing are these 2 tops, and I really like these 2 tops. Okay, these are lace tops, and I think lace is going out of fashion, but lace is so feminine that I think that it is always going to be in fashion forever. So I picked up this particular beautiful top. It is all lace, and it has this really like you know, a very modest collar, high neck, and it has frill sleeves which is like really short, and then it is cropped. So if you are looking for this particular top, and if you're like size medium, go a size up. That means just size up, buy a bigger size, because this as it is really small. So when I'm actually size small in Zara, I picked up a medium one, and this fits me kind of really snug. The only thing is that it is kind of see-through at the back, so if you're wearing it, you can wear a spaghetti, or you can just, you know, wear it by wearing a nude bra underneath. It's a really beautiful top. I'm going to give you a close-up of everything. It's really soft and beautiful material. So because I love that top so much, there were 2 colors in this one, a beautiful, you know, pearl cream color. I got another one in this black color as well, and this is also the same thing, exactly in the same size, but just a different color, and it is so beautiful, and it is so soft, and it's very comfortable. There's also another black top which I'll give on the screen over here, that is available in the special price section. It has a collar, and these 2 tops, this top is also available in a white or a cream color and a black color, but it's not good quality at all. I got it, I returned it because it was so bad. That was on sale for $7.90, but I did not like the quality of it, so I returned it back. Next up, I got a really nice sweatshirt. This is from their Disney collection. This is the Mickey Mouse sweatshirt, and it's a beautiful sweatshirt. It has a fleece lining underneath, so definitely not meant for this weather of June, but of course come October I would be able to wear it. But if you are somewhere maybe in the world where it is like a really nice, beautiful, you know, a little colder evenings, you can throw this on because it's very comfortable and looks so cute. So that was the next stuff. So those were all the clothes that I got from Zara. Next up, I have a lot of perfumes, actually so many perfumes. Some of these are kind of newly launched, I think launched in 2019 and 20. Not really sure, but a few of them are from their summer collection, and some of these are repeat purchases. The ones that I am purchasing for the 2nd or the 3rd or the 4th time, I would be able to give you a proper, like maybe you know, review of the perfume. But then the ones that I'm sniffing right now, I've already smelled all of this, so I have a little bit of an idea, but I can't give you a full-fledged review of the perfume, so that would be kind of a first impression. Let me quickly randomly take out the perfumes. So they all come wrapped like this. So even though these perfumes are fragile, but they come really nicely packed, and Zara uses all paper packaging. They do not use even the tiniest of the plastic, so that is something I really appreciate. Now the first perfume that I have to talk about is this one. This is from their summer collection, and this is called as Pink Flambe or Flambe Summer. This one is priced at $9.90, and this is 100 ml, and this is Eau de Toilette, which is EDT. So this is obviously one thing for sure is that Zara's perfumes smell really good, but they are not very long lasting. Even with this one, smells like tangerine, but is sweet, but is also fresh. So the notes are over here. This smells really good, guys. For some reason I really like the fragrance of this perfume. It's fruity. It is fruity with the right amount of sweetness to it, and as it evaporates, it kind of lingers on with a little bit of a musk as well, if you like the blend of fruitiness with sweetness. And this is definitely a day wear perfume. One thing I definitely need to mention over here, that if you're buying perfume from Zara's website, be very mindful of the fact that if you buy it, that's it, you can't return or exchange it, because they do not have that policy of returning perfumes. So be very careful about that, or else you can just wait for the stores to open, wait for the corona thing to actually pass, and you can go to the store, you know, give a sniff and then purchase it. But right now I think I will really like it. So if you have my taste, probably you'll like it. I'll leave a link over here in iCard. I have a lot of perfume videos, so if you want to see a lot more perfume hauls, you can definitely click over here and you can go ahead and watch that. The next perfume that I have over here is this one. This is Zara Oriental, and this was the limited edition. So this is 100 ml. MRP is 990, but I got it for 590 on a special deal. I do not know why it is a limited edition. This is Oriental, and it smells exactly like the other Orientals that I've had. Oriental, by the way, is I think my first or the second, I think second most favorite scents from Zara, or maybe if I have, there are 3 perfumes that are on number 1 from Zara. One is Oriental, Femme, and the third would be Milano. Yes, Milano, the pink one with the glitters in it. So this is one of my number 1 favorites from Zara, and it smells exactly like the Oriental that I get. I think it is only for the packaging that it is limited collection. I am not really sure. Zara should explain it, or if you know, please let us know in the comment section below. The packaging is like this. It has this really nice floral cap, and when you open it, it actually opens up like a flower. See? So here is the perfume, and smells exactly like Oriental. Oriental is one of my most favorite scents in the world. Yes, it is exactly the same scent, and I got it for 590, so it's a good deal. You can just go ahead and check in the special price section. This is still for 590 right now as I'm filming the video. So this smells really caramel. It smells vanilla. So as it evaporates, it has this hint of vanilla into it. It's a very beautiful scent. It is slightly mature scent, but it's a very amazing scent, especially for the monsoon times. I mean, I love to use it all throughout the year, like summer, winter, spring, whatever, but I love the smell. It instantly brings me into a good mood. It instantly, you know, brings kind of a joy in my life, and I feel happy after spraying this perfume. This is a very good perfume for the monsoon. For a very gloomy and a dull day, I think Zara's Oriental is a really nice fragrance, and I think one of my really lovely subscribers actually recommended this to me, and ever since then I think I've gone through 4 or 5 bottles of Oriental. I cannot live without this perfume. It is such an amazing perfume. I would highly recommend you guys this one. So talking about Oriental, I definitely have a repeat purchase. The reason I got this one was because it was really marked down to 590, so it was definitely a good buy there, and I just wanted to know what this Oriental limited edition is all about. So I do not still know what it is all about, but if I'm buying Oriental or Femme, I always go for this 200 ml version, because this is much more affordable, when in fact you pay $790 for 100 ml for the regular Oriental. You pay $1190 for 200 ml, so that is much more cost effective, and you get a lot of quantity of it. So this is Zara's Oriental, one of my most favorite fragrances, and this also lasts pretty long time. I think Zara, on an average, a Zara perfume would last on you for 3 to 4 hours, maximum for 5 hours. This one comes in the this one actually lasts for 5 hours, so this is pretty long lasting as well on me, and I really love this fragrance a lot. So you can see my fascination, and I have tons and loads of Khali bottles of this one, and I can't throw them because I'm so attached to them. So yeah, this is a really good perfume, and if you have a taste like me, you would definitely like Zara's Oriental. The next one that I have over here, oh my god, is again a repeat purchase. If you've seen my favorites, or if you've seen my any video, you would know about this, that I love Zara's Joyful Tuberose. I love this perfume to bits. I'm going to give the notes of it. So this is such an amazing scent. You have to, I'm not really describing the scent over here, but it is such an amazing scent. There's something so unique about it. I do not know what tuberose is, but generally do not go with the name of the perfume, because Zara sometimes does this kind of a thing. They would name a perfume something, like for example Oriental, it doesn't smell anything Oriental. Oriental has to do with a lot of spice and all, but it is not at all spicy. It is very caramel, vanilla. It is kind of very edible and delicious perfume. So do not go by the names or judge the perfume by its name. Tuberose, Joyful Tuberose. Joyful word I would definitely accept. It's a really nice fragrance. This is a fragrance that you can wear during the day and the night. Oriental is also one very, very versatile one. You can wear it all throughout the year, day, night, whatever. It's a really good fragrance. So Joyful Tuberose. Again, this is, I think there would be four of the Zara perfumes would be on number 1. Femme, Joyful Tuberose, Milano, and Oriental. So yes, I love Joyful Tuberose. 2 bits, and I think I've gone through 2 or 3 bottles of this one, and this is a repeat purchase. So this one also you can use throughout the year, but I think this is a really beautiful fragrance for October, November, when it is a little chilly. But you can also kind of use it in summers. I like to use it all through the year, but I think complementing this one, they released this one. This is Tuberose Summer, and they have made such an excellent contrast of perfumes. While this one you can wear it throughout the year, mainly during the winters, this one is such an out and out summer fragrance. This is Tuberose Summer. You will have the hint of Joyful Tuberose in this one, but it has its own uniqueness, I would say, because there is this element of freshness in this perfume. I really like the fragrance of this one. It is such a fresh fragrance. Of course, do not go by the first spritz, because you will smell it very chemically, and you will smell camphor, or you will smell detergent. So do not judge a perfume by its first spritz. Give it some time. It is very fresh, and it smells slightly sweet as well. I really love Joyful Tuberose, but I think I'm going to love Tuberose Summer just as much during the summers. It's a really good fragrance, a really nice summer fragrance for the day. While this one, which is Joyful Tuberose, is for somebody who is 25 and over. This could be worn by anybody 18 and over. Not a really teenage fragrance, but yes, if you're 18 and over, you would definitely like this fragrance. I really like this Tuberose Summer. The next fragrance is again a sister of my favorite fragrance, which is Femme. Femme is a fragrance which is one of my most favorite scents from Zara. I have already reviewed it. I think I'll leave a link over here. You can go ahead and watch it. It just puts me in such a good mood, and it is a very beautiful, a very nice, very warm fragrance. You can't really use it during the summer, so I thought, I was very inquisitive to know what Femme Summer actually smells like. And this is, I think, released in 2019. I'm not really sure. Yes, it is released in 2019. This is again for $9.90 for 100 ml, and this is what the bottle looks like. So while I really like Femme, the original Femme, I'm not such a fan of this one. I'm going to give the notes of it to you guys on the screen, but it smells, it has musk into it for sure, and it smells slightly sweet, but it has musk, slight bit of vanilla to it, but smells fresh as well. This smells summer, but you can also use it during summer evenings as well. It's a good fragrance, but not so good that I would reach for it always. Because I've purchased it, I'm bound to use it, but this is something that I will not reach always. I mean, I'm disappointed with this one, because I really like Femme. Is my #1 favorite from Zara. So I had really high hopes with this one, but I'm disappointed. I do not like this perfume as much. It kind of gives me a little, it just makes me feel a little dizzy because of the overpowering musk in it. I'm not really sure what is the element in this one that I do not like as much. So yes, this is my least favorite fragrance in this haul, which is Zara Femme Summer. The last fragrance in the Zara haul that I'm going to talk about is this Zara Orchid. This is Eau de Parfum. This is 30 ml and I think I got it for 390 rupees when in fact this is for 590. This is also available right now as I'm shooting in their special price section, but I really like this fragrance and I would like to buy the bigger bottle of this one. Yes, this packaging is also the limited edition one, so I really like the packaging of this one. It's really beautiful, flowery, sketchy packaging. Anyway, the bottle looks like this. It's really small quantity because it is only 30 ml, but this smells really good. My god, it is like fruity, out and out fruity. This smells really good. This smells out and out fruity, and it smells like one of the fragrances by Armaf, which is I think Tag Heuer, but much more richer than that, of course, much more sophisticated than that, and of course much more luxurious than that. But this smells amazing. This smells really good. A really nice citrusy fragrance which leaves a little bit of a vanilla and powderiness behind as it evaporates. So it's a really nice fragrance. Again, I would highly recommend it for summers. It is an amazing scent for summer afternoons, morning till maybe 5 o'clock in the evening. You can have this on you and you will smell really good. I just love this fragrance a lot. I mean, I was not having high hopes with Orchid because it was on a sale, so I thought probably a lot of people are not buying it, but I'm pleasantly surprised and I'm going to buy the bigger bottle, the fuller version of this particular perfume for summers, Orchid. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I'll try and leave links of everything in the description box below. Let me know your Zara favorite scent. I need your recommendation for perfumes in the comment section below because I go 90% of the times by your recommendations and I'm never disappointed. So I would love to know your recommendation in the comment section below. Let me know what all you like. Let me know what all you have purchased from Zara, especially from the special price edition. And I really hope you've liked this video. Hope you found it useful. Hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be very safe, guys. Take care of yourself. Take care of your health. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye, guys.